places I've been, they don't feel like forever. But each step I'm taking, it seems like I'm finding myself. I've searched for gold and I've uncovered all kinds of treasure, but I'd take it all and I'd give it to somebody else. 'Cause none of that means much. A little love would be enough. I'm on my way back home, and I know on the other side of the great unknown, there's a place I'm welcome in, there's a place I know I'm called a friend, there's a place that I'm never alone, 'cause there's a place called home, a place called home. Oh, I've walked for miles and I've traded my time for adventure. Yeah, I've seen the